doing a short tutorial on how to log into Google Classroom and Google Meet. And this will be for the parents and students. When you open up your Google Chrome internet search, you will go to the upper right corner where there's the 9 dots. You will scroll down, click on Google Classroom. This, as you see, I'm in my Google Classroom. This is just an example. I am in Senior English. It is show the class I'm in, the hour, and the teacher. And it'll also give you a reminder of what's due right up under here. If you click on the classroom, it'll go through a tutorial here. You can create a post that'll go directly to the classroom. The teacher can respond as well as other classmates. Up in the far left corner, top corner, you go to the to-do. Under to-do, this will give you a list of your assigned assignments, missing assignments, and completed assignments. Of course, I don't have any done, but there is an assigned assignment that's due tomorrow at 11:59 p.m. If you you go back to that same menu for Google Meet, the teacher will provide a code or a link that you enter here, and you press New Meeting, and you will be in a meeting once the teacher adds you to the meeting. Hopefully this short tutorial will give you an idea of how to log into Google Classroom and Google Meet. Good luck with everything. Go Hawks.
Okay, good morning. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to get into student view as well as parent view. So from the Westwood Heights home screen, you'll go over to students, click on student view. A screen will come up that says I am a parent or I am a student. You'll select either one. I'm going to select I'm a student. So from here, your username will be your first name and your last name. And then your password is going to be a 4-digit number that you've been given by the school. Once you are in student view, there is the home screen, which will have a picture of you. It'll have your name, it'll have that 4-digit ID, the school that you attend, and then there'll be a list of options you could pick. So under messages, here it will be any messages from any of your teachers that you have. This is where you can communicate with them as well. And then if you click on calendar, this will be the school schedule for that day. So today is Wednesday, September 9th, so there's a half day. It'll tell you the hours and the times of the classes that you have for that day. Then if you click on attendance, this screen will let you know every day that you've been tardy, if there's an unexcused absence, if there's an excused absence, and it will be for the entire school year. Next, there is your class schedule. This is all of the classes that you are assigned to for that year or that semester, with the teachers' names and their room numbers as well. There is a tab that says class websites here. This is where teachers can post websites for assignments for those classes. And there'll be homework assignments if there's websites for that as well. And then classroom documents that they've uploaded. Next tab is the school information. So it'll have your principal's name, the phone number, the school fax number, the school's website, our address as well. And also below there is a list of every staff person, and you can click on their names and their email address will pop up just in case you need to send them a message. And the last tab is your information. So it'll say your name, your ID, your gender, and your grade. And that is it for student view. I'm gonna log out of here. And if you are the parent, you'll click there. You'll get a login as well, and as well as a 4-digit number. And if you go inside there, you're able to see your students' classes, their attendance, their grades, all of their teachers. If you need to send any teachers any messages, those will be inside there as well. I hope this was helpful, and thank you and have a great day.
Hello. Today I'm going to talk about the Remind app. So the Remind app is a really good app to use. I use it all of the time. My children's teachers, they use it. It's a good way to communicate right away. So if there's a message that I want to get out to my students, I can text it on my cell phone and it'll go straight to their cell phone, as long as they have signed up to receive the text messages. I can also get it on my computer and it can come straight to the computer as well. So you can get it via email or you can get it via text. You can download the app on your phone to receive it on your phone as well. So let's get into the Remind app. I'm going to show you on the computer and it'll be the exact same thing on your cell phone. So on your cell phone, you just go to the App Store and you type in Remind and you just download the app. For the computer, you type in remind.com, you pull it up, and you simply log in. So once you log in, it's going to ask you, I already have an account created, but if you don't, you would have to create an account. So I'm just going to log into my account. There we go. And so when you get into the Remind app, you will see the classes that you belong to. So I have a list of classes that I've joined. Different organizations use it, and I see the ones that I am the owner of, and then I see some that I am a part of. And so, for instance, if I click on a tab right here from a teacher, I can see messages from my daughter's teacher. I can see where I logged into her, I sent a message to her, and as soon as I sent the message, she got it right away. So I was on the Zoom meeting with her, I had to leave. So I went in the Remind app and I said, I'm very sorry, I have to leave. And so she responded right away. So it's really quick communication. It gets answered really fast. So I also, if you see this screen, I joined the college tour group, the HBCU tour, because my son was going on the college tour. So whenever they would have meetings or send out messages, I was able to receive those right away. So it's really good for you to get important messages, especially if you're on the go. They come right to your cell phone or you can log onto the computer. It also has links. You can put links out there. So sometimes the teachers may put the link for Zoom on the Remind app. So it's just a really quick way to get a lot of important information. So if the teachers use the Remind app, please parents take advantage of it. Please students take advantage of it. It'd be great if both of you guys could sign up for it. I know that I use it for our Honor Society members. So whenever we have bake sales, we remind them of the bake sale coming up or a meeting coming up. Some coaches use it for different sports. So it's really, really user friendly. So there's also a Hamady Middle High School text messaging that they send out, and it's right on time. It has important information that you will need this school year, especially since we are virtual right now. This is a great way to stay connected. And so all you have to do is, right here on the phone, you type in 67587 and you type in yes. Again, you type in 67587 and you type in yes. And it's really simple to receive the messages, and you will receive up-to-date messages from Hamady Middle School and Hamady High School. So make sure that you sign up for this, parents. It is very, very important and an easy way to keep in contact with what's going on.